Okay, ready? 90-second warm up. Woo! Heel. Heel, 4, fast. 1, 2, 3, other side. Heel. Heel, 4, fast. 1, 2. Step, heel. In, step, heel, other side. Again. Big toe. Toe, heel. Let's do it again. Okay, cramp rolls to the left. Step, step, heel, heel. One more. Hit. Skip, other side. Hit. Toe, heel, heel. Toe, heel, heel. Out, in. Dig, toe. Toe, heel. Again. And now we party. Yay, good job, 90-second warm-up. Okay, that is just a warm-up, but if you would like a whole class with me, warm up, learn some choreography, beginning to end 30 minutes, I got a link below. Go grab it just for you, and I will see you there. Bye.